Feeling ill but don't know where to go? Know your healthcare options. There's a range of NHS services on your doorstep. Make sure you choose well this winter. Got a cough or cold? Treat yourself at home with a stocked-up cupboard of medicine for minor injuries and illnesses. Your local pharmacy provides confidential expert advice and treatment for a range of common illnesses. No appointment necessary. If you have an illness or injury that won't go away, visit your GP. If you have a minor injury or illness, visit your local NHS walk-in centre. Open until late and can treat minor injuries, trips, falls and skin complaints. If you need medical help fast, but it's not a 999 emergency, call NHS 111 for expert advice on where to go. A&E or 999 is for life-threatening care and emergencies only. Make sure you choose well this winter. Visit www.choosewellmidlands.nhs.uk.